Is it challenging to choose a food processor among the ones available today? In this video, we have listed the 5 most excellent food processors currently available on the market. For more information on the products, I have included links in description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's begin. Cuisinart food processor. The performance of this food processor is second to none. The 720-watt motor in this 14-cup food processor from Cuisinart is powerful enough to tackle any job. Make hummus, salsa, guacamole, or any other pureed dip, soup, or sauce with this versatile kitchen appliance. A 14-cup Lexan bowl, an extra-wide feed tube, and small and large pusher bowl sleeve assemblies are included with this food processor. It also has on-off and pulse controls. The disc stem may be removed for simple maintenance and usage. This appliance has a 36-inch cord. The stainless steel chopping mixing blade, medium shredding disc, and standard 4mm slicing disc all come included with this food processor. This food processor includes dishwasher-safe tools and accessories, a spatula, instructions, and recipes. 2 warranties are included with this food processor. One covers the whole appliance for 5 years, while the other covers only the motor for 3. Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. When it comes to food processing, this is the king of the house. This processor's 1000 peak watt motor makes short work of even the hardest ingredients. You can count on professional performance from this food processor. Food prepared with its dedicated blades and discs tastes as good as it looks. All of your cooking needs can be met with just one device, thanks to this food processor's precision chopping, reliable slicing, and uniform mixing capabilities. This multifunctional food processor can do 4 different things. The appliance's 3 settings, low, high, and pulse, and 4 AutoIQ intelligent preset programs make quick work of chopping, dicing, mixing, and pureeing. A simple button push allows you to chop vegetables, shred cheese, puree sauces, and whip up fresh pizza or cookie dough in no time. Whether you're chopping a few garlic cloves or an entire bowl of ingredients, this food processor's 9-cup processing bowl will do a thorough job. A big family or frequent host might benefit greatly from this food processor. Up to 2 pounds of dough may be made in as little as 30 seconds with the help of this food processor's powerful dough mixer, which has the torque to fold in ingredients swiftly and evenly. In addition to its impressive capability, this food processor also comes with a 20-recipe inspiration guide, perfect for whipping up tasty dishes for any occasion. It's a breeze to disinfect. In addition to being BPA-free, this processor's components may also be cleaned in the dishwasher. You may rapidly clean the bowl and blades by pulsing warm water with 1 or 2 drops of dish soap. Hamilton Beach Food Processor. The bowl scraper attachment comes standard on this food processor. It is unnecessary to stop chopping or pureeing to remove the lid and use a spatula thanks to this special attachment, which scrapes the bowl's edges to keep ingredients near the blades for more consistent results. With its roomy 10-cup bowl, this food processor can process vast batches of food without stopping to empty the bowl. The machine's big feed tube makes it ideal for processing and preparing bulky items, such as an entire block of cheese, with little effort and time. This appliance may be used as a food processor, a chopper, or even to chop vegetables. This food processor has a reversible stainless steel disc that can be used to slice and shred and a stainless steel S-blade that can be used to chop, mix, and puree. This food processor has 450 watts of power and 2 speeds, plus pulse, at your disposal. Having the option of low, high, and pulse on a food processor is helpful for a wide range of culinary tasks. An S-blade for chopping is part of this food processor. KitchenAid food processor. A 3.5-cup work bowl with a locking blade, handle, and pour spout facilitates speedy cleanup and service with this food processor, which is also dishwasher safe. You can tuck it away neatly after you're done with it because of its compact size, which makes it ideal for use on a kitchen counter, and its simple cord wrap. This food processor's 2 speeds and pulse function are great for making everything from chunky pico de gallo and salsa, to smooth hummus, creamy sauces, and tasty dressings. With the drip basin that comes with this processor, you can quickly and easily blend liquids for sauces and dressings. The stainless steel blade can be locked in place to keep it from moving while pouring, and it can be used to chop or puree with precision. Breville Sous Chef Food Processor. This food processor can grate cheese, chop herbs and nuts, whip up batters, and puree soups, among other things. The BPA-free plastic work bowl with 12 cups and the automatic shutoff ensures that users are safe. Because the 5-inch feed funnel is so large, you won't have to measure or chop most things before putting them in. The momentary pulse button on this food processor is great for fine-tuning and making even chops. This food processor has a powerful, space-saving 1000-watt induction motor. If the bowl and lid aren't tight and the big feed pusher isn't in place, the motor won't start. For this food processor to work, the voltage must be between 110 and 120. This was all from our side to guide you about the 5 best food processors that you can buy. If you like this video or this video helped you, please give this video a like. Links to all the product mentioned are in description below. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to receive update on our latest video. Till next time, see you guys later.